this is the tour of my truck. This is the driver's seat, of course. Passenger seat. We got all of our crap down here. We got so the truck can be set to come on constantly all night to keep the air on, but CRST don't let you they don't let you run the truck at idle all night, so it has to shut off. This is our computer to log in and out for DOT. Coolers and shit. And bottom bunk, top bunk, and our storage here. That's Marcus's stuff. There is storage over here. There's a refrigerator down there. Storage up here. And there's storage in here, which you probably can't see. And you got all the storage up top. Compartment here and down below. That's our truck.